Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what's up, what's happening, baby? As you guys can see, Charles with the Most Paul Cantu, live outside of an unlabeled building. What on earth could that be? It's a thrift store. You guys know it's a trip to the thrift video. And I'm really excited because, as I told y'all last time, I was crying about my van being out of commission. Well, it's back and better than ever, baby. The thrift chariot is perfectly fine. I got my house fixed and all of that, so I definitely do appreciate you guys, you know, wishing me well and all of that. Also, shout out to all you guys who shop on thrift-vintage.com. That's our website, so anything that you guys see today will pretty much be listed on there. Follow the Instagram and check it out after the video if you guys feel inclined to do so. But without further ado, let's hop in the first store. Bro, you can't make this up. I just walked in here and look what they have, dude. The vintage Nike windbreaker for $4. Vintage Puma windbreaker for $6. I haven't even gone through this whole rack yet. Bro, my timing is immaculate, impeccable. Vintage Champion windbreaker, $6. St. Louis Cardinals, $6. Let's go. Let's see what, oh, Wrangler Hero, $6. Let's go. Hold on, bro. Members only, $6. Let's go. Bruh, this is actually stupid. Hold on, man. I gotta see what else is up on here. Bruh, my heart is pounding out my chest. Oh my God. Bro, on God, dude, this shit is mythical. On God, bro, this store is mythical right now. Everything is Drizzy Drake, $6 price. You got the Fila, you got that damn German Adidas warm-up jacket. Look at that gradient. Oh my dick. This one's only $4, bro. Come on, man. The cart's already getting loaded up. Bro, even the jersey section is just knocking my socks off. Size small, Nike Authentic Barcelona jersey for only $7. Let's go. And then you have my boy Curtis Warner right here. Oh my God, clean condition, all gold letters, numbers. I'm stupid. Stupid. Hey, that's the American education system. Let's get it. Bro, I gotta drop the mask and breathe in some Corona right now, dude. Check this out, man. Personal collection cop. It's that boy Messi. Mira, Argentina. Boy, all embroidered. What? Let's freaking go, GI, bro. This thing is crispy and it's only $3. Yo, dude, it is just not stopping right now. MLS Houston Dynamo jersey, H-Town, hold it down, $3. Dude, this store is blessing me, man. I feel like they have been scamming for the longest and they've seen the light and I'm blessed. All right, we're up out of there, man. This car is waiting on me. I don't even give a damn, bro. I'm so happy. I'm smiling ear to ear because we got hella gear, bro. I love when I just walk in the store and it is that full, that rich, just that abundant with crazy old school flame. Bro, what? Yes. All right, ladies and germs, we're in the next spot, which is the Family Thrift Outlet on Hillcroft Street, and check out the first find. Very randomly placed screen printing, bro. You have Yankees on one shoulder and then the logo on the other. I don't know what was going on with this, but it's just experimental enough for me to fucks with it. Oh my God. Whenever the pocket is poofing, I have to investigate further. Oh yeah, a little Adidas piece, look at that, all embroidered. Bro, what the, should I? Bro, it's just tissue, a tissue stash. Perfect, only gently used, just like the jacket. I won't blow my nose with this. Oh my God, bro. Just what we need in political climates like these. Welcome to the gunshine state. We don't dial 911. You have the Floridian insane handgun, cause that's how we roll, man. Hell yeah, God damn it, baby. We just out here popping Glocks. Yeah, see, if this was Texas, I'd be all for it. But you guys know in Florida, they're eating people's faces, going off the bath salts. Let's not, bro. But yeah, man, it's the gunshine state. I love nothing more than some bars, man. That's clever. Bruh, look at this jersey I just scooped. This thing is amazing. You have the Columbus Capitals. What is that called? Oh no, they're the Blue Jackets. Tripping. Oh man, that's our Union soldiers right there. God bless America. I don't watch hockey, man. I can't even escape. Well, I can, but barely, and also it's embarrassing.
Oh, there's another. Oh gosh.
I'm just not graceful enough, bro. I'm not Shawn Michaels.
Well, you know who he is. Sex on ice.
Steve Nash? Oh my tits. This is looking like a Cruella DeVille wet dream. Except that might actually be like cow or whatever. Bro, regardless, I think this is reversible. Yes, it is. You have a cow textured in exterior fur patterned jacket. Bruh, let's get it. I'm trying to finesse some milk for free. They won't even see me coming. Bro, this is really the key to attracting some bitches, is to look like dog food. Because I only use technical definitions for curse words. YouTube, you can't demonetize me for the Purina ad, bruh. Anyways, get your sexy on and something sweaterlicious. Look at the colors on this dude. Bro, Granny was gone off the shroom. Oh man, speaking of the devil, look at that psilocybin, daddy. Holy hell, Granny. We got you something that'll definitely get you up and kicking in that nursing home. Made in USA. Wow, boy. Wow. Bro, look at this. Hey, Aaron? My guy.
You done messed up, Aaron!
Bro, this graphic goes so stupid. Like, just look at the waffle cone texture on the palm trees. Like, this thing is flawless. Aside from this, like, what are those, bruh? This looks like some aquatic green bird shit. Like, what in the hell are those palm branches? That is a sorry excuse for some art. But hey, it's what you interpret it to be. Oh, and it's by Doobie brand. What's up? Ah, yes, my favorite letter combination, BJ. And there it is, daddy. Just like that, man. I struck gold. And you guys know I love gold. Look at this. You have the Nike Air High two-tone, clearly authentic, all embroidered. And you guys know it's real because it's on that Fruit of the Loom tag, dad. Bruh, and then look, you got the full Thrifted in this bitch, bro. I know you guys don't like cross-pollinating with the brands. It's like letting your food touch or some shit like that. But the Skechers and the bootleg Nike Air, come on, man. Come on. Oh my God. Guys, I'm not even playing. I gotta take off the mask real quick. I have just found a personal grail, a banger. Oh, God, please let this fit me. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on this. The Houston Astros vintage satin jacket. This thing isn't even like a starter jacket. It just says Major League Baseball, has no logos on it. This bad boy is ancient. Look at that tequila sunrise color scheme, bro. Quilted interior, all embroidered letters. This is absolutely amazing. Bro, I gotta try this on right now. I'm not even playing with y'all, man. Bro, yo, this is the best day of my life. Yo, I'm not even lying. This is better than the day I was born. Bruh, this thing fits me perfectly, dude. Perfect. Holy hell, bro. If someone just crept behind a rack and shot me in the face right now, I'd die a happy man. This is amazing, bruh. Hey, man, it's the little things in life sometimes that matter the most. $2 Grail, bro. My God, I'm blessed. Straight up. Straight up. Bro, we have another one, bro. That's clearly Nike, huh? That Nike Air, bro. What material is this even, bro? Like, Jesus, I could wear this as a face mask or some shit, bro. That thing is low quality, but just quality enough to not disintegrate in the washing machine. Nice. You also got that Wine Fest, huh? For all you classy mofos in the Planet Hollywood Orlandius. Bro, let's get all three of y'all.
All three of y'all.
Oh my God, somebody play me like a fiddle. That's not even a rock instrument, but bro, you have the Love All, Serve All Hard Rock Cafe San Juan. Look at that hoe right there. That's a beautiful tag. Save thy planet. Earth is my planet.
Earth is my planet.
Bro, lesson of the day, the sleeve never deceives. I even say that when it comes to jerseys. Shout out the comments. I'm literate at occasions, on occasions, whatever, bro. This thing is so fire. Look at this. You have the starter Notre Dame, Notre Flame black, gold, navy, wavy, starter. My brothers, nothing on the back except a minor stain. Bro, did I just die and wake up in crew neck heaven? Check it out, man. You have the Guess Jeans vintage crew neck graffiti-like style, Dallas Cowboys vintage crew neck, Hard Rock Cafe, Chicago. And then you have the Shy Guy, Mr. Mickey himself, the most famous rodent, hands down. Bro, well, yeah, I guess Stuart Little's up there, but not quite on Mickey's level. These are amazing. Holy Lucifer, Guys, I'm sweating my balls off, man. Not only because it's hot outside, but because now there's even more heat in the car with all the vintage I just grabbed. But seriously, man, this has to be, I don't know, top probably 3 trips to the thrift for a personal grail that I found. This is like, yeah, easily top 5, man. It gotta be top 5. I found a couple mosquito heads. I've also found a rocket starter jacket, all those Harleys, and then this dude. Man, I am so blessed, bro. It is insane. Anyways, on to the next. Safety first, then teamwork too. Remember that.
Once again, it's on. I'm back in the motherfucking booth. These niggas still lying on the motherfucking truth.
All right, guys, and thus we've arrived at the next spot, dude. There's no way that this store can smack like the other 2. If it does, this is going to be the most insane trip to the thrift. I'm hoping it comes through for your boy, but last time I was in here, dude, they were just assaulting me with high prices. Let's check it out. All right, guys, it's apparent I made a big mistake. First price, 40 bucks on a Nautica reversible jacket. Oh man, regrets. $20 on a random jacket. Look at this, 24 on another no-name random jacket. We can go through the list. $20 on a Nortec. What on earth are they doing, man? What are you guys doing? I know what they're doing. They're tripping.
Personal foul, tripping.
Look at this, another would-be cop. 25 bucks for the Levi's Made in USA jacket.
I wish I might.
It's official, man. This is the worst store in Houston. Official, man. They have the curse. Rest in peace to this store. I don't think they're ever gonna be blessed with my presence again. The curses are too strong, man. The hexes are impenetrable. They're straight tripping. Tripping. Bro, $20 for a striped polo.
Wait a minute.
$14 for American Eagle. Wow. Tripping. Bro, there's no way in hell, dude. I had to stop looking in that store. I refuse to get vibe murdered by these insane prices, but unfortunately, bro, I'm not even gonna look through a store that is taxing at that level. Like, that is insane, bro. I thought it was crazy last time, but I thought, you know what, some of the pieces are cool, I get it, but now, bro, it's just any piece is getting taxed on. So I'm gonna piece the fuck out that bitch, bro. They're crazy for that. So yeah, dude, I would not recommend coming to this store. If you live in Houston, you know which one I'm talking about, bro. And they're unfortunately gonna have to see a dip in sales before they start realizing they need to lower their prices, because you can't even buy stuff just to casually rock at their prices. Even like no-name brand stuff is just like wild. All right, guys. So I had to jump into one last spot because I can't go out like that, bro. I can't go out on something negative. So we positively hit a couple more licks in this store. You have the original Founding Fathers tee with all of the Chiefs on it. You have a Tommy for Your Mommy black and gray scale t-shirt. And then these are so wild. You have the Scooby-Doo denim pants. Yes, you heard me right. This is not no pajama material, bro. This is denim. What on earth? These are size 36 in the waist. Man, I need to gain some weight to rock them. These would definitely stay in my collection if they could fit me. $4. And then the last little 2 pieces, St. Louis Cardinals small check. I love it. And then you have the Michigan Wolverines small check in the center. Nice. Woohoo! All right, guys, and just like that, we're back. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. I thought I shot a conclusion the day I shot the video, but boy was I wrong. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed, please like, comment, and subscribe. Again, click the link in the video description and check out thriftheavenvintage.com. We have orders going out on the regular, and yeah, the website's being updated almost on the daily, so there's a little ting for everybody. So yeah, go ahead and check it out if you feel inclined to do so. If not, whatever. I'm just glad you watched the video. Peace and love. Live the dream, eat that ice cream. I'm locked, I'm loaded. And until next time, always eat ass.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.